I'm sitting on the top of the houseboat. Really, it's beautiful. Kerala, I love Kerala. It's beautiful. All over the world, you won't find such good place.
So as of now, we will start from here. We will be going to Punnamada Lake. So we will be taking to Punnamada Lake. Punnamada Lake, you must have heard of Kerala snake boat race, no? Nehru Trophy boat race. It happens there. So we will be showing you the finishing point, starting point of the whole thing. This race happens. So we will be taking a round through this. No, and the Punnamada Lake is connected to Vembanadu Lake. So Vembanadu Lake, you can see from the boat, you can see the Padre Mana Lake, a small island there. And from the Vembanadu Lake, we will be taking a full round and we will be coming to and the boat will be parked in a village area. In the village area, you can after 5:30 the boat will be parked there. Alright, we have opted for a night stay here, but you are getting 2 or 3 hours extra because usually in the night stay only the food menu and 1 hour ride will be there, but we are getting around 3 hours. Alright, so once the boat is parked, we can go for a village walk there. It will be super fun. Or else I will give you one other option. Apart from the package you have chosen, you can opt for small canals, open canals. The boat will come nearby here. You can put the life jackets and you can sit on the boat. And that person will take you to small canals, like village canals, and you can watch a super fun sunset and you can come back to the boat. That will be fun. This Mr. Jain and see something will be taking care of that. Okay. And once you come back, once the voltage is settled in, we will be giving you the air conditioned option, and we will be giving you chapati, rice, dal, baby, salad, pickle, and the non-veg part of the chicken.
And water will be there.
Water, usually like we are all humans, we need water to survive. The water is always free for you. And from tomorrow morning also we will be giving you breakfast, and therefore yes, extra we will be giving you 1 hour ride in the morning, and the other checkout will be here. So just will be coming tomorrow here and he will be picking you up. Alright. So this is the whole thing.
And what about the sunset and sunrise?
That's what sunset ride, Like they will tell you, they will hire a person for you. You can just directly talk to them, the price and all. They will be helping you out. And don't let them.
ये इसमें एक्स्ट्रा बेड की जगह तो है नहीं, 2 बेड है, एक उस कमरे में
both rooms we are having extra bed, so that's it.
Now we can start the journey.
Somehow you came to for fun, stay in the boat till tomorrow morning because this is the alpha boat for you. If you need one pair boat, you can just hire and you can go for that. And I guarantee you it will be good. It will be fun because you came to explore Kerala serene villages. You can explore that also.
Okay.
Alright. So can I have a picture of you all together and we can start?
We also need a taxi for tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning, who needs taxi? At what train, sir? Airport. So I will have a discussion with Mr. Justin and don't worry, I will bring I will come with the taxi. Don't be tense about that. I will be there to manage also. And one more thing, like the boat will be from our part, safety measures are all right. There is no restriction for having things, but we will take our own rules from the owners and there will be police taking care of it. If someone is sitting over there, I don't want to go in the
Background music, calm and soothing instrumental. Welcome to the mesmerizing backwaters of Alleppey, also known as Alleppey, the Venice of the East. Famous for its serene network of canals, lagoons, and picturesque coconut-fringed shores, Alleppey offers a magical experience like no other. And there's no better way to explore this enchanting landscape than by houseboat. Boarding a houseboat is like stepping into a floating paradise. These traditional ketavalayams, once used for transporting rice and goods, have now transformed into luxurious floating cottages, equipped with cozy bedrooms, dining spaces, and even upper decks for panoramic views. Houseboats offer the perfect blend of comfort and nature. So, how do you begin this journey? The first step is to book your houseboat in advance. Options range from day cruises to overnight stays. Once you board at the Alleppey Houseboat Terminal, the journey unfolds at a leisurely pace. As the boat glides over the calm waters, you will witness local fishermen at work, lush paddy fields, and quaint village life along the banks. You'll also enjoy authentic Kerala cuisine served on board. Freshly prepared meals, including mouth-watering fish curry and tropical fruits, are sure to delight your taste buds. Don't forget to sip on tender coconut water as you relax on the deck, watching the world float by. Houseboat journeys offer more than just scenic beauty. They provide an opportunity to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of daily life. The peaceful environment, gentle waves, and mesmerizing sunsets create a sense of tranquility that stays with you long after the trip ends. So whether you're a nature lover, a couple seeking a romantic escape, or a family looking for a unique holiday, Alleppey's backwaters have something magical for everyone. This is your Nomadic Principal, inviting you to experience the timeless beauty of Alleppey by houseboat. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more incredible travel stories. See you in the next adventure.
हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कभी भी आपको जीवन में समय मिले तो इस जगह ज़रूर आइए। एलेपी बैकवाटर्स हाउस बोट बहुत अच्छा है। अच्छा